It's in front of your eyes. Get woke, stay woke, and realize. Wake up and internalize. Get woke, stay woke, and open your eyes. Wake up. It's in front of your eyes. Get woke, stay woke, and realize. Wake up and internalize. Get woke, stay woke, and open your eyes. Wake up. Stay woke.
What it do? Woke Reg here, back at you with another woke video. Woo-hoo. What's going on? What's going on? So this is gonna be a little short video. We're gonna talk about manifesting, and we're gonna talk about switch words. Now, before I get into these switch words, I need you to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, give me a like, drop a comment down below, share this everywhere. Let's get this channel going. Let's grow so I can keep putting out these woke videos. All right, so switch words. What are switch words? Switch words are certain words that you can use to manifest certain things in your life. Money, love, healing. You know, if you have any type of ailments or anything, these words will help you. Now, it's certain words in the English language that will help you manifest. Will speed your manifestation up. Whatever your intentions are on, you can manifest those intentions. You know, whatever you want to manifest, it can come about. Now, it comes about every day. Things, you manifest things every day, but you're doing this on autopilot. So whatever you are, whatever your beliefs are, whatever your dominant thoughts are, you're manifesting that every day. They say 90 to 95% of your thoughts are repeated every day. So that's why you keep manifesting the same stuff every day. So if you got a job, you've been doing this job for 10, 20 years, it's you know, it's on autopilot. You know what I'm saying? Because when you have a habit, that habit has been done over and over again till it's on autopilot. So your subconscious mind know that this is what you're gonna do when it's comfortable with it. So when you're manifesting on autopilot. But you can change what you're manifesting now. In certain areas of your life that you want to change, you can do that. You have free will to do that, but you got to know the right words and the right phrases. And since we're using the English language, most of these words, matter of fact, all the words that we are expressing and saying and writing down are rituals and spells. So we want to get the right words that'll give you the right spells so you can manifest what you want, you know, in a positive light. Right now, a lot of these words are negative that we're saying every day, like hello, like good morning. That has nothing to do with anything positive. So we need to stop saying those words. But we're not going to talk about that. That's for another video. You can check out some of my other videos on here where I talk about words or spells. But we're going to talk about switch words. So I'm going to give you a couple of phrases, and I'm probably going to have a part 2. Like I said, I didn't want to make this too long. But if you want to manifest something right now, like abundance, it can be abundance of joy, you know, love, money, you know what I'm saying, happiness. So first, what you're going to do is put your attention on what you want to manifest. So if you want to manifest some money, you meditate on that for a minute, and then you say these words: divine magic begin now. Now you say these words before you go to bed every night and when you wake up in the morning. You can say throughout the day too, but if you really want to get in your subconscious mind, you can say them at night or in the morning. That's the best time. But Your body has to be relaxed. So you do some meditation and relaxation techniques to get your body relaxed. And you close your eyes and visualize what you want to happen. You know, have your intentions on whatever you want to happen in your life, or whatever you want to manifest in your life. And you say those words. Those are the switch words to say. That's a switch word phrase. The other words you always want to use is together and bring. Because you're bringing something in your life, and together you want something together. So these are some words. Now, if you want, I'm going to go ahead and do a part 2 and get in some more words and some more ways to manifest for love and relationships and healing. So that's it, guys. Thank you for tuning in. If you're new, first time checking me out, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, share this video, hit that like button. We need to wake up everybody so they can learn how to manifest and also learn about all the other things I talk about on this channel. Let's wake up and let's go. And that's it. Last thing I want to say is, I was trying to think about something else, but I'm not going to even talk about that. Let's just go ahead and end this video. And so I just want to say, make sure you pray, meditate. Everything's going to be all right. Peace and stay woke.